Welcome to Daan Forest Park, often called the Central Park of Taipei. As I enter through entrance 11, the first thing you notice is how peaceful and clean everything is. Daan Park covers about 26 hectares, making it one of the largest green spaces in the city, a true urban oasis. The park is full of interconnected trails, open lawns, a small lake, and children's areas. This statue caught my curiosity, a white sculpture on the red base shaped like a woman holding a spear. Many pieces in the park were added from local artists as part of a public art initiative. Here's the bamboo. Taiwan has over 300 species of bamboo, and it's used for everything: construction, crafts, food, and traditional ceremonies. Just beyond the bamboo, the park opens up in a lush green field, and if you look carefully, you'll see groups of white birch tucked away in the trees behind. These are egrets. Daan Park is actually a mini wildlife sanctuary, attracting birds, butterflies, turtles, and even small mammals. This is one of the park's wooden walkways that circles the lake. In the evening, the bridge slowly turns on, creating a calm, golden glow over the water. And here is a resident turtle enjoying floating snacks. Daan Park's ecological pond is home to several species of freshwater turtles. You could see fish feeding as well, mostly dark-colored tilapia and carp. This part amazes me. 3 turtles fully stretched upward, reaching for low-hanging branches above the water. They take turns fighting at the leaves. It's a surprisingly coordinated little scene of wildlife in the middle of the city. Back on the path again, you can see how the trail wraps around the lake. There are endless spots to sit, watch the water, and enjoy the sunset. As I continue towards the exit, here's one last surprise: a giant wooden bear and its cub, part of the family-themed art throughout the park. Thank you for joining this walk, and if you enjoyed these videos, please subscribe for more parks, food, and culture.